Hi everybody, welcome back for a new trading week. Today we're going to look through one of my trades in the bin. This one's interesting for me because it's something I flagged in the weekend as something that I thought would be important this week, and what makes bin important this week is the fact that we've got ECB. Alright, let's jump into the charts and then I'll explain everything there. So here are the bin weekly profiles. Last week the market was relatively balanced and quiet going into NFP. Then on Friday at NFP, the market came out roughly in line within the bank estimates, and then the market bid into the close. So this was kind of telling me the market took it quite strong. NFP also, I think, took Fed taper talk off the cards for now. And then obviously with ECB this week, I thought, okay, well, if people are expecting that pet pitches remain elevated, then maybe the market will start positioning long into that. And so I was thinking, okay, can I get long in here? Now the best way to break that down actually for me was the weekly profiles, and you can see we've got this bikini weekly, so above the POC we're still bullish, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I can buy an offer down here to the value area high. So that's what I was thinking today. Okay, so let's quickly look at how I traded this day. So this is the 5-minute candlestick chart, and there's the daily cash profiles. So basically I saw that we had this offer and I wanted to get in between these two orange lines, which are the volume value area high and the value area high for the week. And then this grey line here is the bottom of the singles from NFP. And so I just faded in here. I didn't really love the entry, but I knew I needed to get in. And I put a bit too much size on, so I took some off somewhere down in here and held it for most of the day, and then got squeezed out the rest of it here, which was a bit of a mistake. I should have really exited the trade earlier, but we'll go over that in a second. Okay, let's break down a few things with this day. So first, let's look at the offer. So this kind of low volume grinding offer, and you can see the volumes are really poor. You can kind of go for quite a lot longer than a fast offer, which might end in sort of a time where you've got high volume still. So this ended at 11, and it ended on this little morning star pattern. Then the market then bid up and then offer back, and you can see down here the volumes have really died off. I mean, they were already dead, but they're really quiet now. And so in here is where you want to get long, and you're just wanting the market not to be able to break this low, which is exactly what happens. So you can enter in here, stop here, and then take it up. Now up here, where the market's sort of trading around the VWAP, which is this orange line, up here you're getting wicks to the upside, and that's sort of telling you that this market's not able to stay bid, and that this day is probably most likely to balance. So there you want to get out. And now you've seen, okay, we've got this seller where you haven't really got the ability to bid, the volumes are still low. Off this low, we haven't really got any excess at the downside, so we can't judge the buyer very much, and that's probably the best you're going to get out of this move. And so that's how it really should have been traded. Okay, so other than just reviewing the technicals, there was one other thing that maybe I got wrong, and this came from one of the other traders on the floor. And so one of the things that I thought about behind this move was the fact that I thought the market expected a dovish ECB, and while the ECB may be likely to be dovish, the payoff for that getting that right is very low. Whereas if you're looking to make the hawkish trade, well, it may not happen, or it may be less likely to happen, but if it does happen, the trade's going to be a bigger trade. So maybe that's something I overlooked in terms of, okay, will the market really want to position long? Because we did see today that there wasn't a lot of buying in the market. So that's something else to keep in mind. So yeah, that's my breakdown of the trade today. We'll come in tomorrow, see what else is sitting up, and we'll talk again tomorrow. See you later.